In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text size in AutoCAD drawings. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by selecting the text you want to change. Click a single text object to edit just that one, or drag a selection window around several text objects to change them all at once. You can select single-line text or multi-line text. The Properties palette will show a height value for either type. Take a moment to confirm that the text is on an unlocked layer and is not part of a block you don't intend to edit, because selection will only affect editable objects. With your text selected, type Properties or its shortcut MO and press Enter to open the Properties palette. The palette usually appears docked to one side of the screen. If it's already open, it will jump focus to the selected object's properties. This palette is the central place to view and change object-specific settings without altering global styles. It's helpful when you want fine control over individual pieces of text without changing the text style for every instance in the drawing. In the Properties palette, find the Text section and change the height value. Click into the Height field and type the new value you want for the text size, then press Enter. The change applies immediately to the selected text, so you'll see the result right away. Remember that the height value uses the drawing's units. So choose a number that matches your project conventions. For example, small annotation sizes in model space, or larger values for layout or plotted scale, depending on how you're managing scales. If multiple objects are selected and they have different heights, the field may show a mixed or blank indicator. Typing a value will unify them to the same height. A couple of practical tips. If a text object's height doesn't change, check whether annotative text or a text style is controlling size. Annotative text can scale automatically based on viewport and annotation scale, and text styles can be set to enforce a specific height. The Properties palette change will override the object's current height, but it won't change the underlying text style definition. If you want consistent changes across many objects, consider editing the text style separately. But for quick, selective adjustments, the Properties method is the fastest and most direct. That's all there is to it. Select your text, open Properties with Properties or MO, and change the height in the text section. Practice this a few times, and you'll be adjusting text sizes confidently.